I'll do some. Yeah, today we're going to do a box opening on this new Heist MV. Only come out Let's get into it, boys.
What's up, guys? We're doing an unboxing of my new scooter. It's the MV Heist S4 2017. And let's get unboxing. I'll put it up.
So, that's done. Put it up the other one. Yeah, but then I can't see you.
What's that?
Get into it. Oh, yo, sweet home Alabama. And if you guys didn't know, Dylan's birthday, say happy birthday in the comment section down below.
March 11th.
March 11th. Remember for next year.
Well, it says Heist on it. So, because I got it from Skate Hut, I got manual,
stickers,
manual thing, stickers,
Wait, did you get stickers?
and bearings.
You got some bearings?
Yeah, I got some bearings.
Sweet, honestly. Take them back. Okay.
Got a handle,
Do you want to do the honours?
right.
Do you want to do the honours, Dylan?
Yeah, I'll have
Wait,
you.
let's unbox. So the bars and pineapple use them. Yeah. Okay, so Dylan's one of them. Oh, sweet. Sweet and one of them. Oh, nice.
That's actually really heavy.
That's actually heaven. You got some. You got careless.
Okay, yeah.
Nothing else in the box.
Right, so guys, we got. Right, I'm gonna take this bit
Oh
off.
my days, and then that is absolutely stunning. Bars they have TPR. Okay, I'll do the TPR softer compound nylon bar ends.
Okay, so these are the nylon bar ends.
Oh, look at the clamp.
These are the TPR grips.
It's got a double clamp, side cut out residue.
We don't have
reduced weight. 6
you don't have to read it exactly. So basically, this is the double clamp. And it's got the side cuts on the side to reduce weight, and 6mm bolts right there.
If I'm getting another complete, it's gonna be one. HIC.
Okay, so I'll go through the rest of it right now. We got a piece of paper with it. So the bars we got, it's a matte black look, which is the colour, and it's an aluminium bar. It's still strong, though, and
with these gussets.
Gussets there, which is there. This is actually the MV Reaper bar, but they put it on the KOS, which is amazing. The deck is neochrome. This is actually so much nicer than I believe.
Oh, new scooters.
Right, deck. This deck is 4.7 wide, 4.75 inches wide, and 20 inches long. And yeah, so in this new edition of, and you'll see that it's got the new wheels. These are 120 hollow core wheels, which are amazing. These come in black. Yep, they've got 8 to 9 bearings inside, which is nice.
So pop the bars. So
yeah.
Is the compression tightened or not?
It's.
I think it is.
Okay, and anyway, for the headset, we've got a integrated MV headset. Fork, we have a IHC aluminium fork. The brake, which everyone loved from last year's model, we got the nylon brake, and we have a nylon front plate. So nice. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that off.
Should we put it together?
Elijah's here now. We got this front cut out here, and what else was it? Where did I put it? Oh, I did not put it in. And they've got a new shim on it, which is nice.
Should we put on the bars?
Wait, have you loosened it?
Yeah, but I think you have to do the penny pin.
No, you didn't.
Wait, what are you doing?
Wait, move your back,
No, yeah, I'm gonna get you complete.
Whoa, it's so wobbly. Whoa.
The shim's the wrong way.
What do you mean?
The slip on the shim.
Doesn't matter, does it?
That means the wheels will be backwards.
Doesn't matter.
No, okay, just do it on right.
It doesn't matter.
You can turn it, but it doesn't matter.
If you make sure the wheels are in there.
Oh,
Make sure it's in there, Dylan.
I think it is.
Do you want to tighten it on?
I'll do this.
So many new songs.
And Dylan can't even tighten a bolt.
Oh, you've got some 889 bearings as well.
See, I know. I need them.
Really?
Bolt.
Oh, this is so nice. So jealous. I actually want this scooter.
Really?
Can't really do it in here. Like,
Just do it.
go on this. Yeah, you can't do it.
Do
on
it
this.
Come go.
Okay.
As you can see, it's dialed.
Dialed.
Deal. Right, we'll get some like cinematics now.
Okay, now we'll get some cinematics.
Really?
I'm gonna go get some sushi and I'll get some food.
Do you know Josh Jennings? He knows all the good music. Get a clip of the blunt,
Ethic grips is more expensive than the
actually
can.
fucking change this compression.
What?
Harry doesn't know what he's doing with his scooter.
Has he got some more stuff?
Press on the griptic. Something griptic. They should have put clear move your foot shoes. At least get some skate shoes.
Yeah, no, that's what I put on the group chat.
So here's Dylan's new scooter. What do you think of it then, Dylan?
Well, I'm not.
It's so nice.
We're gonna go get some fruit.
No. Okay, so I love this scooter. I love the wheels. Bars so much nicer because they're taller than my old one, which was tiny. Right, let's
I
see
will
if
put a picture in of his old scooter now, and then this one, and then yeah, you see the
Okay,
difference.
so we're just gonna wait for cars to go, and then I'll get my first whip on the scooter.
Yeah,
You have to land it first, right?
Yeah.
yeah. If you don't, you never.
You only want